Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into the 15 most important AI skills you must master in 2026. This roadmap covers everything from prompt engineering to AI governance, so you can build powerful AI systems, launch products, and stay ahead in one of the fastest changing fields in the world. We will follow the roadmap step by step, exactly in the same order as the mind map. Let's begin. The first major skill is prompt engineering. This is where everything starts because prompts are the interface between humans and AI models. You begin with structured prompts. This means crafting prompts with clear instructions, sections, and formats so the model knows exactly what to do. Then you learn context-rich prompts where you supply explicit background information that guides the model toward more accurate results. Chain of thought prompting teaches the model to reason step by step instead of jumping to an answer. And prompt evaluation is how you measure quality, correctness, and consistency. The common tools you work with include ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and PromptPerfect. These tools help you refine your prompts and understand how different models respond to different patterns. Next comes workflow automation. This skill helps you automate repetitive tasks using AI. You start with trigger-based automation, where an action begins automatically when an event occurs. Then you move into action orchestration, where multiple steps run in sequence using AI assistance. No-code automation lets you build workflows without writing any code. The tools used here include Zapier, Make, AutoGen, and Bardeen. These tools allow you to connect apps, automate processes, and integrate AI into daily operations. The third skill is understanding agentic systems. AI agents work autonomously to achieve goals. You learn how autonomous agents operate, how they follow goals, and how they make decisions. This includes goal-driven behavior and structured decision-making loops. The key frameworks include LangChain, CrewAI, AutoGen, and MetaGPT. Mastering these tools helps you build multi-agent workflows that perform tasks with very little human intervention. RAG is a core skill for anyone building serious AI applications. It allows models to access external knowledge beyond their training data. You learn external knowledge integration, where the AI retrieves relevant data before answering. Private data retrieval ensures security when working with internal documents. Real-time data access gives your AI fresh and up-to-date information. Popular tools include LlamaIndex, LangChain, Pinecone, VV8, and FireS. These help you build high-quality AI search systems. The next skill is multimodal AI, where models understand not just text but also images, audio, and video. You start with text understanding, then move into image recognition, audio interpretation, and video analysis. This unlocks more advanced use cases like vision language models and AI content generation. Popular tools include GPT-4, Claude 3, Gemini, and Stable Diffusion. Skill number 6 is fine-tuning models to specialize them. Domain adaptation helps the model learn industry-specific language. Instruction tuning shapes the model's behavior. Lightweight fine-tuning techniques like LoRa and PEFT allow customization without massive compute costs. Useful tools include Hugging Face, LoRa, PEFT, and OpenAI fine-tuning. Next, you learn how to evaluate and manage AI outputs. You work on output quality evaluation to measure accuracy. Hallucination detection helps identify false responses. Performance monitoring ensures your AI behaves reliably in production. Tools like TrueLens, Ragas, Helicon, and Prompt Layer make this process easier. This skill is about combining multiple tools to create powerful workflows. You learn multi-tool workflows, API composition, and intelligent tool selection based on task requirements. Popular tools include LangChain tools, OpenAI functions, SERP, and Notion AI. These help you build intelligent pipelines that extend what AI can do. Skill number 9 focuses on building AI-powered product. You learn how to design AI applications, create scalable architectures, and integrate AI into user experiences. Common tools include Bubble for no-code apps, Supabase for backend services, Replit for coding, and Cursor for AI-assisted development. Next comes context management. This is essential because every model has a limited context window. You learn how to manage the context window, understand token budgeting, and build memory systems that preserve knowledge between interactions. Tools that help with these concepts include LangGraph, React prompting, and LangChain memory. The 11th skill is mastering AI reasoning. You learn how to break tasks into steps using task decomposition. Plan and execute workflows help AI follow a structured plan. Reflection loops help AI review and improve its own work. Tools include React, Tree of Thought, AutoGPT, and LangGraph. API integration is crucial for real-world AI applications. You learn external data access, tool-based APIs, and real-world actions where AI controls external systems. Key tools include OpenAI functions, LangChain tools, and traditional REST APIs. Embedding and vector search power modern AI retrieval systems. You learn embedding generation, semantic search, and similarity matching. Popular tools include OpenAI embeddings, Cohere models, Faiz, and Weave8. As AI grows, governance becomes essential. You learn bias detection, hallucination control, and safety constraints. This ensures your AI operates responsibly. Tools include Guardrails AI, Rebuff, and Nemo guardrails. The final skill is staying updated. Research awareness keeps you informed about breakthroughs. Infrastructure evolution helps you understand new hardware and models. Continuous learning ensures long-term success. Great resources include Hugging Face Spaces, the OpenAI developer blog, and Arxiv. And those are the 15 most important AI skills you must master in 2026. Master these skills step by step, and you will not only stay relevant, you will lead the next generation of AI innovation.